Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pema and welcome to a new video. So I purchased some products from Meesho. So I received two of these products. I have one more coming up so that I may receive it tomorrow. So for now, let's unbox this. Let's start with this first. So this is my first time purchasing from Meesho, so I don't know how will it be. So yeah, let's try. Okay, this is the earring which I purchased for party wear. So this is the earring. It looks really pretty. So just look at this earring. It's so pretty. Let me try it once. So how is it looking? It's really beautiful. You can always pair it up with a black dress or anything you'd want, and you are ready to go. I really love this product. I am happy with Meesho for the products. It's really beautiful. Thank you, Meesho. And do you even know the price of it? It's just for rupees 130. Yes, it's just 130 for this beautiful earring. So now I have this second product, that is, I think this is the one that I'm thinking of. It's a shoe rack which I got it for my room. So this is what I got inside. So these are some of the pipes which I have to use it. So what to use with this. So that's it. So I have to use it with this. Yes, come on, let's assemble all of this. Hello, so this is the third product from Meesho. So let us quickly unbox. Okay, so this is the product that I had ordered. This is a decorative piece for your bedroom, for your living room, wherever you want to attach it. So you can see the words over here, vibes, and then good, and then the word only. So this you can attach it to your wall in whichever room you want, and these are really good in materials, very sturdy, and the price is amazing. Its actual price was 140, which is actually very low. It's very cheap for such beautiful pieces, but I got it at a discount of more. That was just for 114. So let me decorate it and then I'll show you. Stay tuned.